This dance is called Go to Hawaii. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot with a nightclub. So you're going to make a big step to the side on the right, then cross back rock, the left behind the right, recover on that right. Into a little vine, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. You're going to make 1/8 of a turn to the left as you rock forward and then recover. So you should be facing 10:30. Make half a turn to the right as you step forward on that right. So you're now facing 4:30. You're then going to step forward on the left and spiral yourself half a turn to the right. So stepping forward and spiralling, hooking that right over the left. You're then going to walk round 2 steps, making half a turn to the right, right, left. So you will now be facing 4:30. So you're effectively staying on the diagonal for half of that section. Just do that once more for me. Nightclub off on the right. 7/8. Side, back, rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock, turn, spiral, run, walk, walk. Now you are doing the equivalent of 1.5 turns in that section, all going to the right. If you need to try and take out the full element turn of that, what you can actually do your nightclub, side, back rock and your vine, side, behind, side. Then forward, rock, half turn. From here on, don't turn. Step forward on the left, and then effectively just keep walking 2 steps forward, travelling slightly to the left. So it'll take out that full turn element if you need to in that section. Now I am going to try and actually do that spiral and that further half a turn. Not easy spiralling on carpet, but I'll do my best. So having done those further 2 walks forward, your weight is on the left, you're facing 4:30. You're going to step the right 1/8 of a turn to the right, so you square yourself up to the back wall. As you step forward on that right, you're going to start to sweep that left forward. Into a little weave, so you're going to cross the left over the right, right to the side, cross the left behind and sweep that right back. Cross the right behind the left, turn yourself a 1/4 turn to the left as you step forward on that left. You're then going to step the right diagonally forward to the right and angle your body towards 1:30, touch the left beside the right. Then step the left diagonally forward to the left, angle your body towards 4:30, touch the right beside the left. You're then going into a chassé to the right, but you're going to put a 1/4 turn to the left on it to start with, so you'll end up facing 12 o'clock, side, close, side. That's our steps once more then. Stepping forward on that right into that weave. 7/8. Step, cross, side, behind, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chassé. Let's add that to the top. Nightclub off on the right. 7/8. Side, back, rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock, turn, spiral, walk, walk, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chassé. Cross the left over the right, add on a mambo cross, you're going to rock to the right, recover your weight on the left, cross that right over the left. Into a hinge half turn, So quarter turn right as you step back on that left, quarter turn right as you step the right to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right, step the left to the side, cross the right over the left, and step the left to the side again, and cross the right over the left once more. Now when you do that first set of crossing at the end of that section, you are going to angle your body towards the 430 diagonal. That set of steps once more then. Cross into your mambo cross off on the left. 7, 8, cross, mambo, cross, turn, turn, cross, rock and cross, side cross. Let's add that to the top. Nightclub off on the right. 7, 8, side, back, rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock, turn, spiral, walk, walk, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chasse, cross, mambo, cross, turn, turn, cross, rock and cross, side cross. You're going into now a fall away step. So you're going to step large step to the side on the left, step back on the right as you make 1/8 of a turn right, so you're now facing 7:30. Step back on the left, step the right to the side as you make another 1/8 of a turn, so you're now facing 9 o'clock. Step forward on the left as you make a further 1/8 turn, so you're facing 10:30, then step forward on the right. Into a nightclub, so you're going to take a big step to the side on the left, squaring yourself up to the front wall, cross rock to the right behind the left and recover, into a hinge half turn, quarter turn left as you step back on that right, quarter turn left as you step the left to the side, and then add on a cross rock, right over left. That set of steps once more then. Fall away off on the right, left. 7, 8, side, back, back, side, step, step, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, rock. End of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Nightclub up on the right. 7, 8, side, back, rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock, turn, spiral, walk, walk, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chasse, cross, mambo, cross, turn, turn, cross, rock, and cross, side, back, back, side, step, step, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, rock. That's your dance. Goes beautifully to the music. I'll now go through it with the counts. Nightclub off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a good feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Nightclub off on the right. 7, 8, side, back rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock and spiral, run, run. Step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chasse. Cross, mambo, cross, turn, cross, rock and cross, side, back, side, step, side, back, rock, turn, cross, rock, side, back, rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock and spiral, walk, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chasse. Cross, mambo, cross, turn, cross, rock and cross, side, back, side, step, side, back, rock, turn, cross, rock. So hopefully you've managed to follow that. The music really does help with this dance. So that is it. That is your dance and your walk-through. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, six, seven, eight, side, back, rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock, turn, spiral, walk, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chasse, cross, mambo, cross, turn, cross, rock and cross, side, back, side, step, side, back, rock, turn, cross, rock, side, back, rock, side, behind, side, forward, rock, turn, spiral, walk, step, cross, side, behind, turn, step, touch, turn, chasse, cross, mambo, cross, turn, cross, rock and cross, side, back, side, step, side, back, rock, turn, cross, rock, nightclub.
Go ahead and roll it all night. Have a big party.
Steps weave.
A big penthouse. Overlooking
Cross
the bay of Waikiki. Yeah, when I
Full away.
die, go to Hawaii on me. Put your feet in the sand, buy you a coat, raise it on up, crack a good joke, tiptoes in the water and ashes to sea. Yeah, when I die, go to Hawaii on me. I made
Cross
a
mambo.
I lived a good life. I raised some great kids, and I loved a great wife. So get on a plane, first class seat. When I die, go to Hawaii on me. Put your feet in the sand, buy you a coat, raise it on up, have a good joke. Tiptoes in the water and ashes to sea. When I die, go to Hawaii on me. Yeah, when I die, go to Hawaii on me.
Hope you managed that one.